What up, it's me, Prez, and welcome back to Improving Masculinity. Today I want to share an impactful scene from Remember the Titans that highlight the power of unity and perseverance. In this scene, Coach Boone tells his team an important message. Check it out.
This is Gettysburg. This is where they fought the Battle of Gettysburg. 50,000 men died right here on this field, fighting the same fight that we're still fighting amongst ourselves today. This green field right here, it's painted red, bubbling with the blood of young boys. Smoke and hot lead pouring right through their bodies. Listen to their souls, man. I killed my brother with malice in my heart. Hatred destroyed my family. You listen. You take a lesson from the dead. If we don't come together right now on this hollow ground, we too will be destroyed. Just like they will. I don't care if you like each other or not, but you will respect each other. And maybe, I don't know, maybe we'll learn to play this game like men.
This speech is a powerful reminder that true masculinity involves respect, unity, and the strength to overcome differences. It's about coming together and working as a team, regardless of your backgrounds or personal feelings. Let's take this lesson to heart and strive to build each other up, showing respect and strength in everything we do.